use a white chocolate mousse on this.
Bend.
You can use any seasonal fruit for this, cherry and dragon fruit. We are going to make a sponge. For that, we are going to separate the egg white and egg yolks.
Recipe
use ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. So to the egg yolks, I'm going to add icing sugar, salt, so now I'm going to sieve my refined flour inside my yolk mixture. I'm going to add melted butter inside my yolk mixture. Almond flour. Once it is combined evenly, we are going to make the meringue. This is done. Now we are going to do the egg white. So now I'm going to get So I'm going to add sugar little by little. I'm going to add corn flour into the egg whites and fold it. Now I'm going to add the meringue. Slowly fold it without losing the aeration. Once it is evenly combined, pour it into a piping bag, or you can pour it in a tray to make like a Swiss roll. I want it as small rounds, so I have marked the rounds so that I can pipe it evenly in those rounds. Now I am going to bake it at 180 degrees for 7 to 8 minutes. Now this is going to go for baking again for 5 to 6 minutes at 180 degree. See, after baking, it is like this, so it is stiff. If you want, you can make for you can bake 1 or 2 minutes extra also. I'm going to use a white chocolate mousse on this.
Bend.
You can use any seasonal fruit for this, cherry and dragon fruit. Your fruit white chocolate taco is ready.